Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holders? My friends, buy more and more Stellar XLM. It's time to make a profit with a Stellar XLM, my friends. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now, my friend, at this time, the changes occur in the Stellar XLM is going positive. I'm sorry, nothing yet, but my prediction is going positive about Stellar XLM, and I hope very soon, my friends, very soon the changes will become positive and you get profit from the Stellar XLM. My friends, I know that current situation of the Stellar XLM is very bad. The current situation of the Stellar XLM is very bad. But my friends, with the passage of time, the price change will become positive. And you know what, my friends, I also predicated the Stellar XLM, my friends, that with the passage of time, the price will become good. With the passage of time, the price will start pumping, my friends. I'm sure about the price of the Stellar XLMs. Stellar XLM is absolutely profitable coin for everybody. Invest now more and more in the Stellar XLM if you want to really make a profit. My friends, you can see the price of the XLM is also low. 0.259479 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the XLM in the market. So I think it's time to make a profit in the cryptocurrencies market, my friends, and it's the biggest opportunity for everybody. It's really a biggest opportunity for everybody, my friends. Now, maybe very soon, tomorrow or maybe the next day, the XLM start pumping. Very soon they will start pumping and they give you profit. So why are you waiting, my friends? Buy now and make a huge amount of profit. Remember the time that ordering you, I'm just recommending for everyone. If you want profit, buy now. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates video.